Traveling from St. James, we have Irwin Primary going up against Green Pond Primary, also from St. James.
Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Irwin Primary won. They decided to have Green Pond Primary play first. So Green Pond, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible tells the story of the conversion of Saul?
Songs of Solomon.
That's incorrect. It's Acts of the Apostles. Irwin Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible tells the story of Joseph becoming the governor of Egypt?
Exodus.
That's incorrect. It's Genesis. Green Pond Science. Give one word used to describe a bit of curved glass or transparent material which bends light rays.
Reflection.
That's incorrect. And if you can speak up a little, it's actually lens. Irwin Science. What happens to light rays when they pass through one state of matter to another? Time's up. Green Pond, want to try?
Sight, Captain. Reflection.
That's incorrect. They are bent. Green Pond Jamaican Affairs. What's the correct name for the Jamaican comedian, also known as Titus? Time's up. Irwin, want to try?
No.
It's Glenn Campbell. Team, speak up a little bit so we can all hear you, okay? Irwin, it's Jamaican Affairs. What's the correct name of the Jamaican comedian, also known as Johnny? Time's up. Green Pond, want to try?
Yes, Miss. Brian Lera.
That's incorrect. He's Christopher Daly. Green Pond English language. Spell apparatus.
Apparatus.
That's incorrect. It's apparatus. Irwin English language. Spell machinery.
Machinery.
That's correct. Green Pond Television. Complete the name of this cartoon series. Rick and
Murphy.
That's incorrect. It's Morty. Irwin Television. Complete the name of this cartoon series. Popeye the Time's up. Green Pond.
Sailor.
That's incorrect. It's the Sailor Man. Green Pond General Knowledge. Kingstown is the capital of which Caribbean country?
Jamaica. St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
That's correct. Irwin General Knowledge. Georgetown is the capital of which Caribbean country?
Grenada.
That's incorrect. It's Guyana. Green Pond Social Studies. In which Jamaican parish can you find St. Margaret's Bay?
Satan.
That's incorrect. It's Portland. Irwin Social Studies. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Yallas River?
The yellow. St. Thomas.
That's correct. Green Pond Music. How many keys are there on a standard piano?
50.
That's incorrect. It's 88. Irwin Music. Of the 88 keys on a standard piano, how many are black?
44.
That's incorrect. It's 36. And that brings us to the end of section 1.
Irwin Primary is in the lead at the end of round 1. Points standing are Irwin Primary on 2 points and Green Pond Primary on 1 point.
Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.